Hey everybody, it's Brenda with Foxy's Creations, and today I am bringing you my Artsology project for July. This is called Grandma's Sewing Basket. It's an awesome kit, you guys. Awesome, awesome kit, and I have some great ideas for what to do with this paper. So this is her title page from the kit. It's the title page. Now, I've already backed my papers, so when I flip them, they're not going to be white. And then we have this page, which looks like a quilt. This is a backing paper. I'm going to be using it as a journaling page. And we have this page, which is another background paper from the kit. Isn't that gorgeous? And then there's this page, which is a journal page. Another journal page. Look at these ladies and their dresses. There's words in the background, and my dog is barking. I love the tape measure on the page. And I like this quilt. And then over here's another journal page. These are going to be so pretty in the journal. I love her sitting at the sewing machine and a little stack of toppling over threads. I love that. I could see that in my grandma's sewing room, her threads toppling over. And then this is a background page from the kit, and I have turned it into a pocket. I glued another page to the back of that, but it's one of my backing paper pages. This is a quilt page from the kit. I love this page too. And this is patterned paper, and I think that one may be upside down. It was. So it's like a picture of some patterned paper as a background page. This is another background page from the kit. And again, I think I have that one upside down. It's got little leaves all over it. That is so pretty. And then, now we're to the extras or ephemera parts from this. So let me stack those all over here. So you get a lot of pages in the kit, guys, for backgrounds as well as actual journal pages. A lot of times, because I back mine, everything in the kit becomes a journal page. And then we have this envelope included in the kit. And we have this envelope included in the kit. I love these envelopes. This is a trifold. I made it a little bit bigger than what was in the kit. Just a little bit. But this is a little bigger than what you're going to get in the kit. Also in the kit, we get a picture of Grandma. And we got a poem. These are also a little bit bigger, which is why they're cut off on this side a little bit. But they are a little bigger than what you're going to get in the kit. In the kit, they will fit the page and won't have that. Then we also get these beautiful tags and this little event and date. And I love this little square tag and some tickets. You get this beautiful page with these pictures on it in the kit. This page, which I have plans for these things to use as well as in the kit. And I'm planning on making these into like tuck spots in the kit. This page comes in the kit as well with these little tiny journaling cards on it. I then took those and separated them out and made them into bigger. So these are this four over here, printed full page. And made them bigger journaling cards. So I'm going to be using all of this in the kit. And then I did that with this side the same way. I took these four and put them on a full-size page so that they are bigger. These came in the kit to go in the envelopes. And then we have these corner pockets from the kit and some tickets. And it looks like they're taken straight from some of the pages in the kit. And here's two more corner pockets. Now, if you don't want to use these, like this is a right hand, this is a right hand, just turn your paper. Or since none of these have writing on them, this does. I was going to say you could take on your printer and tell it to flip it. But this one has writing, so you wouldn't be able to do that with this page. But this page, well, the numbers would be backward on your tickets. But you could, if you had one printed out correctly, and you still wanted it flipped, and you didn't care about the numbers on your tickets, because you can always cut this part off your ticket and have a little image, you could flip it, and what happens is you get a mirror image. So by it being a mirror image, they become the opposites. I didn't do that with any of these because I figured I could just turn the pocket and cut off a portion of it if I needed to. Now this one I wouldn't do that with, but that one you could definitely turn. On this page you could turn that one. You could turn the one with the scissors and the tape measure very easily. Again, I wouldn't turn her. And then here we have, this page has a tag on it and some more images from side pockets. So here you have a left pocket. This is also a left pocket. Again, if you wanted, you could make them into shorter pockets, trimming off the edges. I wouldn't do that with this one because your people will be sideways. She included some quotes in the kit, and I did mark some of them off because I have them on other pages. So that's why these have check marks. The rest of these will get used in the kit. And then, because we were able to choose 2 kits, I chose her More Labels kit. So that's the name of this. It's 2 pages. It's called More Labels. I love this kind of thing, you guys. I like cutting them out and putting them on like pockets or tuck spots or in a collage. You can put a quote in here. You could also use this as like a little frame and make a little image in here. Same thing with these. You could take smaller images and cut them out and put them in there. So, little words, you know, that kind of thing. On a collaged pocket, having that just there, putting lace behind like these, using them like that. They could be tuck spots for smaller things. I love these. And then this is the second page, and I do the same thing. Another thing, because some of these could be layered, you could take this one and put it like in here. You know, there's, let me show you. So like this will fit in this square. You know, so you could layer some of these. You could take this and turn it lengthwise and put it in this one. Or you could put it in this one and have a stacked effect. So a lot of different things that can be done with the labels. I love the labels. So guys, that is my Artsology July Design Team Project packets of papers. Gorgeous kits again. Deb, who owns Artsology, does an awesome job. She just put up a new Ladybug kit. Y'all need to check out everything. Her links will be below when this video goes up. Now, if you've gotten this far in this video, I am doing hidden giveaways. This is hidden giveaway for this week. I need you to comment below with the number 25. So just make sure you leave a comment below the video with the number 25 in order to qualify for the hidden giveaway. Now, what is the prize for the hidden giveaway? Well, this week we're going to do... I should have already had it down. Sorry. I'm looking to see what I got made up. So the prize is going to be this little booklet that I made. It's an envelope booklet, and this just closes like this. It's made from envelopes. And it's got a little tag in the pocket. And then this really pretty page. There's a tag here. There's a corner pocket here with some little ephemeras in it. And then over here's another little pocket. And that's how I would use one of those labels from the kit, is on that kind of thing. And then it's got this ephemera. And then there's this, just a pretty page of collage. And this pretty book page. And then here's some more like little ephemeras just on that corner pocket. And some ephemera tucked in the pocket. And then back here we have another corner pocket made out of some collage paper that I made. And some more, a blank tag that you can decorate. Another piece of ephemera. And then over here is some more pretty lady to be surprised with when you take the ephemera out. And then just some more ephemera pieces. And I'm going to put those back because then we have a tag with a pocket on it with some little tiny ephemera on it. And that is the giveaway for this video. So it's going to be type in the number 25 and that will get you entered to win this little packet. So guys, that's everything. That's my Artsology Design Team project, the hidden giveaway prize. I hope everybody has a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye, everybody.